All of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, unique and exquisite blend of hand embroidery designs that could be specifically designed for your dresses. But the idea isn't unique in itself because all the embroidery patterns are specifically designed for one embroidery pattern, one embroidery style, that is peacock embroidery. Peacock embroidery or peacock designing on dresses have been in trend from the number of decades. So this type of stylized different patterns are not only limited to dress designing only, but they are creatively DIY type of different dimensional ideas. So before going into the further details, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos with your friends and family members. Guys, on daily basis, we try our best to share creativity, handwork, hand art, needlework, thread work with you. And in response, we want you to like our videos, share my videos, comment below my videos. And if you haven't subscribed, then you can subscribe from many other devices and from your device also because subscribers are very important. So help us grow into a remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. We never intend or reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic purpose and motive behind making videos and sharing ideas, designs, and creativity with you is to share some basic and beautiful ideas. So now let's talk about you can use these very beautiful patterns of peacock embroidery onto your white shirts, off white, cream, beige, lighter type of shades of shirts, crew neck shirts, t-shirts, sweatshirts. Even you can also embroider these patterns of embroidery onto your handmade, hand knitted sweater, ponchos, cardigans, and different type of denim fabrics like denim shirt, denim jackets. And even you can embroider these patterns onto your baby girl dresses, like onto their frocks, onto their jackets, onto your skirts, onto their tops. Even you can embroider these patterns of very beautiful peacock embroidery onto the back necklines of your shirts. So the design and ideas are creatively unique, and the creativity make them more unique by the usage of different multicolored threads to give them a more elegant and brilliant look. So this was all for today. Stay blessed and stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos on my channel. Until then, take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon in my new upcoming videos.